Use zip ties when securing and organizing excess wiring during HVAC electrical repairs to prevent shorts and to keep service panels tidy. When managing wires, start by turning off power at the breaker and verifying with a non-contact tester before touching anything. Route conductors so they follow the shortest safe path while avoiding sharp edges and moving parts like fan blades. Group wires functionally by control circuits, power feeds, and sensor leads so future troubleshooting is faster. Use gentle loops to avoid strain on terminals and leave enough service loop for panel removal. Choose ultraviolet-resistant nylon zip ties for outdoor or attic applications and temperature-rated ties for areas near heat sources, and cut tie tails flush to avoid snagging. Place ties at regular intervals, roughly every 6 inches on long runs and closer near connection points, but do not cinch so tight that insulation deforms or conductor insulation is cut. Use label tags or write on durable wrap with a permanent marker before tying to maintain identification when wires are bundled. Common mistakes include over-tightening ties and damaging insulation, which you avoid by snugging by hand then trimming excess. If insulation is nicked, replace or re-terminate the conductor. Another issue is tying wires across moving parts or heat sources. Reroute and secure bundles to mounting brackets or chassis away from fans and hot surfaces to prevent wear and melting. A final frequent problem is leaving no service loop or tying too short, making future servicing hard. Always leave a modest loop at each device and panel, and secure excess neatly with additional ties so wires are not under tension. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals and showing recent project examples so people can compare experience and approach. We also help contractors find work through project leads and a community forum where we discuss techniques, local codes, and job posting tips.